Hey, what's up everybody? It's Anthony James, another Broken Granite. So we're gonna cover everything up so we don't make a mess. And we're using, of course, our K-Bond Vivid to glue everything together with the K-Bond colors and the polishing pads. We're gonna remove this rebar, which is why this granite broke in the first place. It got rusted and it broke everything. So gluing everything back together is kind of a mission because it's in several pieces. So everything has to be straight. And once everything is back together, then comes the even more difficult part, which is mixing the color, getting the color correct, and making it disappear. I know that it looks easy and you gotta be player hating out there, be like, oh, it looks stupid, man, you suck. But it's hard, man. You should try it yourself. So I think I did a great job. I know it could be better, but hey man, the more I do it, the better I get. So right now, customers are happy, I'm happy. Look how I looked before and look how I look now. So they're happy, I'm happy, everybody get paid, everybody happy. So until next time, peace.